Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a hinged pendant. It's kind of a locket, but it doesn't have a clasp or a lock, so I'm just going with hinge pendant. A little background story. About 2 weeks ago, I was taking out my braids, and I happened to be watching some jewelry YouTube videos I'd saved up for a while that I wanted to watch when I was free, so I took the time to do that. While I was still wishing that I could make the hinges Nancy Hamilton had just shown on one of her videos, I went on to another video, and that was even a code connection video, nothing to do with hinges. Since soldering is next month, code connections this month, um, I was trying to wrap my head around how I could make a cold connection hinge. I went on to watching other videos, and guess what I saw? The person that was demonstrating, Mary, I don't know how to pronounce her name, you're going to see it on screen. She was demonstrating techniques for code connection, and she demonstrated on a piece that used the code connection hinge, and I was super thrilled. After I rushed up and tried out the hinge, and I discovered that it actually works. I just tried it on scrap metal. In case you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Joy, and this is Metalsmith Journey. I talk about tips, tricks, making, and shopping of jewelry. Before we go on, I want to apologize for not posting videos for the past 2 weeks. If you noticed, life happened and I had to take care of some things, but I'm back now to stay. Enjoy the making process. I'll see you at the end of this video. I just thought to quickly show the plan that I drafted out for the pendant. I tried out something similar, but I discovered that the wires I wanted to use for riveting were too small. So I'm going to be sticking with my big wire for this project. Um, so here are the pieces of very polished copper I'm going to be using. Let's get down to business now. Hi guys, so I'm done with the pendant. I started around 4 a.m. I actually woke up by 3, but setting up and everything, I was ready around 4 a.m. and I started. And now it's around 11 a.m. So you kind of have an idea of the time it took for me to do that. Although I did some things in between, but not much. Anyways, this is how the pendant turned out. I'm quite glad as to how it is. I would send it to my brother. I actually made it with him in mind. So I'll be sending it to my elder brother just for him to have a keepsake. It has a picture of everyone in the family in it. But there's one thing that I forgot to do. I forgot to add the hoops. In the original design, there were supposed to be hoops here and here for which the necklace would hang. And I guess my pendant is not a pendant if it doesn't hang from a necklace now, is it? But I'll probably drill a hole and get to it for it to hang or something. I'm glad for the 2 weeks break that I had to take that I mentioned earlier because I was able to reflect on the content I create here versus what I actually intended for this channel to show. So in the coming weeks, there will be more relatable videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I usually post every Thursday and Sunday, so my next video is going to be on Sunday, and I'll be back on schedule from now henceforth. Be safe out there, guys. Be sure not to spread any rumors, any panic. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, show love, and God will be with us all. Till my next video, which is on Sunday. Bye bye.